Hey guys, so this week I'm back in my Erin Condren and I'm using this winter emoji mini kit from my shop. So one of the new additions to the kits are the Emoji Headers, and you guys know I love my puns, so they're basically headers and they have emoji heads on them, so they're like emoji headers. It's probably not as funny to you guys, but I don't know, I just find it so amusing. So yeah, I just alternated the colors, and then for the bottom washi, like the autumn emoji mini kit, I made it sort of like a scene. We have a blanket of snow and also a really cute snowman and a polar bear emoji. I just love drawing for these kits because unlike some of my like watercolor kits, I get to be a lot more quirky with them and I just get to use a lot more bolder colors. Moving on to the sidebar, I put down the full box that says "Stay Cozy," and that emoji is wrapped up in a blanket with a stack of books and also a candle. Then I'm putting down the 2 habit trackers, the This Week header, and also a sidebar ombre checklist. I think I'm really happy with the format of this kit now. You get everything you need for your Erin Condren, and also you might be able to stretch it for 2 weeks in your TN inserts. But if any of you guys are using these kits and you feel like something's missing, definitely let me know so I can improve it for the future. I put down the pencil doodle sticker that comes with the kit to mark in prepping for finals, and then I also put down a foiled sticker from the Giving Girl to mark in some work, and then now I'm just filling out the This Week checklist. Then I have some more space on the sidebar, and because I did a ton of Black Friday shopping, I decided to track my Happy Mail, so I put down the Happy Mail sticker and also a mini emoji checklist. So then I'm just whiting out the lines of the Erin Condren, and then I'm going to start putting down the full boxes. I went with the polar bear full box, the emoji with the hot chocolate, the washi, and the planner, and then also the emoji playing with the snow. And then I topped it off with another header. By the way, I apologize if I end up laughing every time I say header in this video. Of course, I am marking in the weather with the emoji weather icons, and then now I'm putting down the countdown. These are foiled from Rose Colored Days. I am using these to mark in when I fly back to Vancouver for Christmas, which I'm really excited about. Then I'm putting down a glitter label from the kit and also a coffee sticker from Fox and Cactus to mark in Coffee Monday. And of course, Monday was Cyber Monday. I did a collab digital printable release with some of my best friends, and it was all Harry Potter themed. It was so much fun, and to mark that, I put down a laptop sticker from Two Little Bees. Then I'm going to put down a half box and also a sushi emoji. These have not been released yet. This is part of the November freebie. I will definitely do a full sheet of sushi emojis in the future. But yeah, I just used it to mark in that I had takeout for dinner. And then underneath I put down a to-do header and also a emoji mini checklist along with a girl sticker from the Fox and Pip to write in some of the things that I had to do. Also, while I am writing that down, I just want to thank you guys so much for all of your sweet comments on my videos. I do go through a lot of things on a day-to-day basis, and I'm pretty burned out by the end of the day, but whenever I just like sit down my computer and I go on YouTube and I see all of your comments, it makes me so happy. So yeah, I just wanted to say a quick thank you. After finishing up the checklist, I went back to the sidebar and filled out my Happy Mail. I got a package from Sparkly Paper Co. and also my Black Friday order from Garage came. Super excited for my new clothing. And I also put down a no spend habit tracker at the bottom of the sidebar. So moving on to Tuesday, I put down a to-do header and I'm also filling out this 3 floral checklist. Usually I would say 3 heart checklist, but because the checklist box thing is a flower on this kit, I guess it is a floral checklist. Then I'm taking this super pretty foiled heart sticker from Clever Gal Crafts, and that pink color matches the kit so perfectly. But yeah, I just layered that on top of a label from the kit to mark in that I wanted to film this plan with me that you're watching right now. And then underneath I put down a super cute narwhal onesie emoji. Oh my gosh, that's hard to say. Narwhal onesie emoji to mark in that I treated myself to Baskin Robbins. Then I put down a today header and also a flag from the kit and later a bow paperclip sticker from Hello Petite Paper to mark in that I studied all night. Even though I'm taking 5 courses this semester, I only have 3 finals because 2 of my courses are full year, which means next semester I'm probably going to die during final season because all of my exams are going to be piled up until then. But yeah, I'm just gonna focus on this semester for now. On Wednesday, I put down another emoji header, and also I am marking in that I went to Robart's library. The light bulb sticker is from Bubba Bear Studios, and the label came with the kit. Then I'm taking the shopping emoji from the Emoti Christmas samplers to mark in that I want to do some Christmas shopping. I have not started yet. And I didn't really like how I wrote it, so I rewrote it on a washi strip from the kit and just covered it up. I'm actually just buying gifts for my friends back in Vancouver. My sister and I decided that we would not be swapping gifts this year just because it is so stressful, and honestly because she is working full-time as a pharmacist back in Vancouver and I'm over here studying in Toronto. We just kind of want to spend time together, so we decided to just go shopping. And yeah, we promised that we would not be getting each other anything, so let's hope that she doesn't get me anything because I would have nothing prepared. Anyways, on a half box, I put down an emoji holding a bunch of Happy Mail and boxes to marking that I went to the post office to pick up some packages. Then I layered a FaceTime sticker from Happy Dia Stickers on top of this glitter oval label from Aria's Daydream to mark in that I called my mom and dad. Then on a glitter flag from Two Little Bees, I marked in that I wanted to post this spread on Instagram, and I'm really happy with how the photo turned out, if I do say so myself. And then underneath the flag, I put down another flag from the kit to mark in that I had so much work to do for the shop, for school, and just for my personal self. And then that sort of distressed girl sticker is from Fox and Cactus. And we are pretty much done with the first half. We are going to move on to the second half now. I'm just whiting out some lines, and I also put down the weekend banner. I always love designing the weekend banners for these kits. Oh, and I always get questions about the pen that I'm using. It is always the Papermate Inkoy gel pen in 0.5 millimeters. It does work on glossy paper. Obviously, you do have to let it dry for a good few seconds before you can run your fingers across. And typical Helen, I forgot to press record for the next clip. So basically I just finished putting down the countdowns, the weather icons, and also on a scalloped half box from Blank Slate Stickers, I wrote in a little quote because I was feeling a little bit down on Thursday. Then of course I wanted to finish editing this video, so I put down a time to edit sticker from Obsessed with Cute. I also put down another to-do header and a emoji mini checklist and wrote in some things that I had to do. One of them being that I just uploaded the December free printable calendar download to my Facebook group. It's a mouthful to say, but yeah, I do a free printable in my Facebook group every month, so yeah, I will leave the link down below. Later on Thursday, I wanted to spend some time alone and watch some Christmas movies. The movie marquee came with the kit, and then moving on to Friday, I put down another to-do header, and because I didn't need all 6 of the boxes, I just cut the top 2 off, and I lined up the bottom half with the header, and I think it looks pretty good. Doesn't look like I did anything to the sticker. So yeah, I just wrote in my to-dos, and most of it consists of studying for finals. Then I put down another label from the kit, and also a laptop sticker from Sweet Kawaii Design to mark in that I want to design. Even though I truly do prioritize studying, sometimes I just have to do something different, so designing for you guys is truly just a creative outlet for me. And for Friday, I plan on treating myself to brunch at Denny's. That emoji is holding a plate of toast with eggs. And right now I am debating if I want to get toast or pancakes tomorrow. This voiceover is being recorded on a Thursday, so right now I'm just drooling at the idea of breakfast food. Anyways, after that, I put down a today header and also a busy day sticker from Kina Prints to mark in that I wanted to do some more studying. And to emphasize this point even more, I put down this crunch time sticker from Lovely Mine on the full box just to mark in that my entire Friday was just work. Then for Saturday, I put down another emoji header and also a sleep-in sticker from my shop. And then underneath the full box, I put down another glitter label and also a Nerd Glasses sticker from the Paperly Boutique. And once again, I just studied all night. My plans are definitely not as interesting at the moment. I put down another half box from the kit, and I covered up the planner with a laundry emoji because I had a huge load to do, and I also wanted to change my bed sheets. And then to top off that night, I had a lot of emails to go through, so I put down a mug sticker from J Crew Plans and wrote in customer service. So yeah, now I'm just finishing off Sunday. And that's about it for this video. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will leave the links to the free calendar printable in the description bar below, along with everything. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!